up, guys? Welcome back to the next part of our vlog. We finally secured some bags. Was definitely not easy.
It's party day.
It's party day.
What's that?
The stores we kept stopping at, because I was like, I'll stop at Dollar General, I'll stop at Family Dollar. They had only Christmas bags. What in the world?
Out.
Birthday to you.
Our daughter.
Who are you gonna say happy birthday?
Wait.
Oh, this one is kinda big. Okay. Nothing is okay.
It is?
Yeah.
Why? Yeah, I want that.
You know how to do it?
No.
Oh.
Okay, let's go. Hot.
Okay, you ready? Alright, y'all, so we are back home for a minute. We had fun at the party. But people started leaving kind of like around 4:40, and so we headed out. We are home quickly. I'm about to take my vitamins. That's not why we're home. We need blankets, and we're gonna go ahead and make our s'mores and like take them with us, and maybe make us some hot chocolate to go, because a cold front is supposed to come in. It's not supposed to come in like while we're out there, but the temperature is going to start to drop. Like the long sleeves right now are too hot. But here in probably about the next 4 hours, it is going to like get really cold. So just in case the temperature drops when the sun goes down and we get cold, I decided to come home and get some blankets. Besides that, we could have just stayed out. But this gives me a minute to kind of like reset myself, make his snack, grab up some blankets, woosah for a second, and then head back out for more fun for Cole. But he didn't want to leave the birthday party, but everybody was basically leaving, so I wasn't going to keep spending money at Mr. Guy's. That's just a no-go. Alright, y'all. We're about to attempt these s'more cookies. Okay, listen. We got to put... Huh? What's up?
Mama,
What?
cookie?
I have them right there. Okay. We're only going to make two because in the video they turned out kind of big. Oh, look. Got the cookie dough.
Mama,
What all...
Mama, what he doing?
Pillsbury Doughboy, he's laughing. Hey, okay. What all do we have? We got cookies, chocolate, marshmallows, and crackers. Okay. So we're going to make two.
Mama.
Huh? Look.
Mama.
Put two in there.
I want Mimi.
No, Mimi doesn't want one. Don't throw them. You got to be gentle.
Chocolate?
Yep, we need chocolate.
Mama.
What?
Wait.
Yeah, wait.
2, 1.
1,
Mama.
2. Okay, wait.
Mama.
Okay.
Mama. No way.
Put 1.
Mama, break it.
No. Don't break it. You're not supposed to break it.
What?
Just put it, look, see, like that. Good job. Okay.
Mama.
Okay, marshmallow.
Mama. Wait, Kiki. Mom.
Smell good?
Mama, what doing?
Okay, I don't want that one if you're going to eat it.
It's good.
Okay.
Oh, good.
No. Just one. If we make them good, we'll do more tomorrow.
Yay!
But we got to do it good.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Okay, listen. Slow down. I'm going to show you, and then you do one.
Mama.
Oh, no. Okay, wait.
Oh, no.
Oh, these are kind of small. We might have to make them double. Okay, can you squish it?
Mama.
Okay, we're already messing up because I got the wrong size cookies.
No fair.
Okay, it's fine. Look, I do it like this. I'll make it one big cookie. Watch. Ready?
Mama. No fair. Mama, cool.
Okay, look. Let me see which size we need. This one or this one?
Mama.
Oh, you need one more. Okay.
Mama.
Okay, our squares were too small, but we rolled 3 together. Hold on, let me see. Roll this one.
Okay. Look.
Yep. Okay, now look. You got to pat it out like this.
Pat. Mama, look.
Huh? You know what, Cole? We might need 4. Okay, hold on. Let me see.
Oh.
No, don't wipe it on your shirt.
Mama, my hand dirty.
That's part of cooking. Your hand gets dirty. Wait, let me see.
Oh, my hand dirty.
Okay. And then we just
Mama,
push it around.
Big. Mama, big.
Mine with 4. I'm doing cold with 5 of the little squares pushed together. We'll see whose turns out better. I definitely should have put oil in my hands before I did this. But it is okay.
Mama.
Don't wipe your hands on your clothes. We'll wash our hands in just a second.
Mama.
Whoa.
Mama.
What?
Can I chop shit?
Okay, let's clean our hands.
Mama.
They definitely don't look like hers in the video, but it's okay. It's okay. We're going to put them in the air fryer for 10 minutes at 350. See how they turn out. All right, we're about to head out. They're done. They definitely don't look like hers. We'll keep practicing. Hold on, let me see. He said it's sticky. Eat it. Just marshmallows. So here's how they turned out. Marshmallows.
Mama.
I'm gonna let them cool. I'm gonna let them cool a little bit. We have a few minutes before we leave. We made us some popcorn. We got our waters. We got jackets and blankets. And we're gonna grab a couple more snacks and we are ready to go. See the lights?
You want to see the light?
I can't pee. I can't get him.
It's almost time. Look, it's 6:30.
No!
Okay, but you gotta get out of the street. You can't be in the street. All right, sit down. You see Santa up there? Huh? Church. One-horse open sleigh. I don't know. Go. Hey. Whoa. Hey. Oh. Fun today, Cole?
Yeah.
What did we do?
Okay.
Oh, we went to the birthday party.
Yeah.
Did you cook today? Oh my gosh, you did a lot. The parade was really fun. We are currently stopping by Shalassi's to get a $5 pizza. And then we're calling it a night. Like, the parade went on, y'all, legit for like an hour and a half. And it started getting so cold. And it's not even that cold out. But when we went out there, it was still like a good 70, maybe 68. It didn't get cold until we actually started the parade. And the parade didn't even get started. It was supposed to start at 6:30. I think it may have started a little after 7. And we were on like the tail end of it. So, of course, for us, it didn't start at 6:30. Because we were at the end. But, oh my gosh. It was cute. They had a lot of nice flows. Cole had the best time. His best little toddler life was lived tonight. So yeah, we're calling it a night because it's been a long day. We did a lot. What I didn't see is that we ended up making the Velveeta rotel and sausage dip. So I'm getting Cole pizza because he probably won't eat that and that's not filling. However, I am full and so I just need a snack. So I'm probably gonna go eat me some of that. Edit these vlogs and call it a night. We are done. He ought to be exhausted because I let him go all day long. So yeah, thanks for hanging with us for another Vlogmas day. We will see y'all tomorrow. Bye guys. I don't know if y'all can see it, but we were just at 60 degrees and it is now like 50.